Hello friends, I hope that my first video on Microsoft Sentinel was useful for your career. So in today's video I will be talking about how to configure the Microsoft Sentinel playbook. So playbook actually is an automated feature in Microsoft Sentinel that is actually using the API connection, and through the Azure Logic app, Microsoft Sentinel actually does the automation of detection of threats and also the remediation. So let's see that how to configure the playbook. So first is you have to go to the resource group that we have created in our last video. Then from the resource group you have to go to the API connection. So this is the API connection that is already created, and you can see that this is the API connection. So actually this is the logic apps. You can click on this API connection, and after clicking on the API connection, on the left hand side pane, click on the edit API connection. Then you can see that this API is actually open for edit, and you can see that authorize button is there. After you authenticate your username and password, you will be getting this screen. The save button will be enabled. Now go ahead and click on the save button. You can see that edit API connection, editing API connection, now successfully edited API connection. So that's all for today's video. So this video is pretty quick, and I hope that you will be able to perform this task in your day-to-day operation, because you have to actually modify or you have to configure the playbook in your production environment. So this is how you have to modify the playbook, and you have to authorize the playbook. I hope this video is useful. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.